Are you planning to sell your home? Here's a 6-point checklist to follow before listing it. First, declutter and depersonalize. Remove any personal items, excess clutter, and anything that might distract potential buyers from seeing the potential of your home. Clean out closets and cabinets, remove excess furniture, and put away personal photos or artwork. Second, clean and stage. Clean every inch of your home and make sure it smells fresh. Consider hiring a professional stager to help make your home look its best, or watch some YouTube videos on DIY staging tips. Third, make necessary repairs. Fix any major or minor issue that might deter potential buyers, such as broken fixtures, leaky faucets, or cracked tiles. Make sure everything in your home is in good working order. 4. Enhance curb appeal. First impressions are important, so make sure the exterior of your home is appealing. Clean up your yard, plant some flowers or greenery, and consider a fresh coat of paint to your front door or shutters. 5th, gather documents and information. Collect all relevant paperwork, including property deeds, permits, and renovation receipts. Have all important information about the property, such as square footage and number of bedrooms and bathrooms, readily available. 6. Hire Paula now as your real estate agent. She's a qualified agent who has track record of successful home sales in your area. She's familiar with the neighborhood and can help you price your home correctly. Following these 6 steps, you can ensure that your home is in top condition for potential buyers and increase your chances of a successful sale.